G'day, here's a parcel of practice seam opal material. Some of the pieces do have a bit of colour, some of them don't have anything much at all. It's not priced as a gemstone quality parcel. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. Just a quick movement around there for you. Give you an idea of the sizes. The rule was in millimetres. Like I say, some of the pieces haven't got a lot of colour. Nice black potch there though. Has got crystal type material on the top with a bit of sun flash, maybe. There, this piece needs to be ground down. Could end up with a big stone. Can't guarantee it, but you might get a surprise with that piece. I'm not going to pick up every piece and show you. Like I say, lots of hours of fun with this. Some of the bigger pieces might hold a surprise, like that piece. You wouldn't know until you grind it down. That piece, not much. Bit of colour on the end there. Anyway, I think that gives you a bit of an idea what you're getting for your money. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.